What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video. Now, I forgot this pair of shoes that I ordered from Sneakers. So first and foremost, just listen real quick. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. To all my new supporters, subscribers. This is the first time I'm filming for the YouTube community on my channel with the new camera. I told you guys we're gonna take this channel and YouTube to another level. Now you guys don't know, but the people that are new here, you guys do know. Shout out to all the people that I met while I was filming. So before I get into anything, stay tuned for Monday and Wednesday, or Monday, Thursday, depending on how I feel. We are getting the new content on this channel, so clap it up. We're gonna finally do public stuff. Like I said to you guys in way before, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, subscribe. If you be watching but you don't subscribe, we finally using the camera for the first YouTube video on the channel for this sneaker review we're about to do. Subscribe to my other channel. Also, if you're new here, you don't know, I have another channel which I do my music over there, so go subscribe to that channel, as well as go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna pop it up right there, so go show some love on my Instagram. I'm excited. I'm finally using the camera. Like I said, I edited yesterday the 2 videos that I'm dropping next week on Monday and Wednesday. So we're gonna try to make that a scheduling thing. I know my channel, I always post whatever time, whatever day. I do have the videos, but I'm gonna drop it Monday and I'm gonna drop this part 2 on Wednesday. So no further ado. Also, if you're here, also comment whatever you want, questions, anything. I respond to all my comments and I read everything. So no further ado, let's get right into the video. Off rip, this is literally called an unboxing. This came in the mail literally a few ago. Guys, turn it this way because there's no address, but right here in the flesh, unboxing straight from Sneakers, the Jordan 5 DJ Khaled Crimson 5s. Now this is a size 13 big boy, so if you watching this, hit me up ASAP. These are for sale. I don't want these no longer than a month, so if they're sitting in my possession, somebody come pick it up, buy it. Size 13 right here, you can see it there. I don't know if it shows clearly, but size 13. It comes with some fancy, is it, pull this out or you just take it off? Okay, so it's like this plastic keep going, we the best Jordan logo, and the DJ Khaled logo, we the best sticker right there. If you can see it, kind of glary, but yeah, so that's that. And then the regular Jordan box, like I said, you can probably see it clear now, 13. I don't know if you can see it. Got the colorful Jordan logo, you can tell the coloring. And then on this side you got the We the Best logo, so you can see that there. Alright, so let's get into the paper. Is this crimson pink, whatever, holographic purple pink right here. Probably can't see too much of it reflects on the camera, but let's get into these Jordan 5 Crimson, aka DJ Khaled, we the best. Oof, right here in the flesh. Like I said, it looks different on camera, but I'm gonna see how it looks when I edit it. I don't think, oh yeah, okay, so this one, it drops all the different shoelaces. So it comes with the crimson pink, peach colorway. It comes with some gray, white, yeah, white laces. Comes with baby blue laces. Then it comes with black laces. So you got a whole lot of options with these. And yeah, so let me put this, cause I don't have to show that, it's so heavy. Jordan 5. So let's cover this up. And boom, right here in the flesh. Let's do a little quick thumbnail, because obviously I gotta get the video for you guys. Put the hoodie on, because my hair's not due, obviously. Boom. So what I could say about the shoe, squishy. It's that premium leather. Size 13 big boys. It got the silver black on the tongue. You can see it right there. With some type of like carpet jacket material in the inside in baby blue. You could tell. I don't know if the camera catches that, but yeah. And then the base of it is the crimson colorway, as well as the black, white, and little, is that blue? Yeah. Splattered paint, black and blue on the bottom. You can see it right there. You got the bottoms, the yellow type of reflection with the white Nike logo right there. So overall, yeah, overall this shoe is like whatever. You guys, if you pay attention long enough in my collection, I have no Jordan 5s. I am not a big fan of Jordan 5s at all. But some people do, so if you want these DJ Khaled's / the crimson colorway, hit me up, size 13. You could take it off my hands. Please do so. And as well as you got the We The Best logo right there. And just because this has We The Best, I want to know if the other one have We The Best. Oh no, okay. So this one has We The Best logo, and this one has the Nike Air. You can see it right there. So you got Nike Air on that one, and then you got the We The Best on this one. So overall, these was sitting on sneakers for like, I would say 10 minutes. So I don't really know if people knew that wanted it. Resell is not that high on these, so I would sell it to you for a steal. But I think they're sold out now. So if you want to buy size 13, hit me up right now ASAP on the comments or on Instagram or wherever you can reach me. Yeah, so overall, what do you guys think about this shoe? Let me know in the comments. Is this a pass? Is this an ugly shoe? Is not worth the money? Resale? I'm not resale. Retail price was $140 something with tax. How you charge it a Jordan 5? Yes, it's a collab, but this colorway is disgusting. But like I always say, if you want this for personal, by all means, you could like it. I hate Jordan 5s, period, let alone this colorway. I wouldn't wear this if you paid me. But shout out to DJ Khaled, shout out to Nike, shout out to Sneakers app for, I guess, giving me the W. Overall, this shoe is a pass for me. But if you like it, definitely hit me up, and it could be your shoe if you want to buy it. Size 13. I don't know if the camera's catching it that it's a crimson colorway, because by my angle it looks like it's orange. But yeah, let me know. Any comments? Was this a pass? Was this a cop for you? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on Monday. First of all, I'm so glad a sneaker came that I could review for you guys, because I literally was gonna do a video today about who copped the Jordan 12 black taxis, but it doesn't matter about those. I did this for new content for you guys, so this one's for you guys. Stay tuned. Monday, Wednesday, we're about to go crazy now that I got this camera, and now I know what to do with my other content on this channel. So stay tuned. Monday I'm dropping part 1 of the drip check in New York City. Part 1 is Monday, part 2 is Wednesday. And in part 1, special guest, I had rapper Millies. I forgot how you pronounce his name. My fault. But you guys will see on Monday's video. So stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my other channel. Go show me some love on Instagram. Everything will be linked down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Do I do a new outro and intro now? Because now the camera is filming. I don't need to do the cutscenes, but alright. See y'all in the next vid. Peace out.